What's up, folks? This is me, Steven, and I just recently got a new phone and texting on my new LG Rumor 2, but I'm not doing a review. I thought I would do KGB answers. I already did. You guys probably can't find anything out here, so I'll read it aloud. And my question to them was... Okay. 1 second. I got a lot of them. My first question was, will you marry me? And what they texted back was, 1 second. Okay, I don't have it on here, but the answer was, no, sorry, at KGB we do not marry. So, yeah, kind of funny, kind of not. But I got a couple bucks out of them. What I did was, I put, oh, here it is. Sorry. We at KGB cannot marry. Sorry. And the other question I asked was, why did you charge me $2 when I only asked one question? They put back, apologies. We have issued you a credit for the additional text. So, pretty cool to give me $1. And I had texted back. Hang on. Alright, I had texted back. I sent 5 texts and they charged me $15. And they put, your concern has been sent to customer service to look into. And then they did not charge me. They put, your concern has been sent to customer service to look into. No charge for this one. So that was really nice, being as I lied. And I put, we charged me $5 for one text. Why? We only charged 99 cents for each text. Isn't possible that you were charged $5 for one text. No charge again. And I put, you charged me $2 for one text. My question was, how many leaves does a poison oak have? Poison oak has 3 leaves per stem. Contrary to popular belief, the entire plant is poisonous, not just the leaves. Ask us anything. Well, they didn't charge me for one there. I put, you keep charging me $2 a text. Unless you have special offer in addition to normal text fees, all texts should be $1. So, that's my KGB video, and once again, KGB number is 542542, and I got some really good answers. If I get enough comments, I will do a video on the Rumor 2. Thank you for watching. Remember to tune in to Teen Sports Channels for the coolest videos. Peace.